Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be checking out how we can make $200 trading boom and crash with a unique trading strategy that will help us to analyze the market and also check out some strategic places in order for us to place our order and make some good amount of profit right there. Okay, so these are some of the things we'll be checking out in this video. We usually do this once in a week, and of course it has always been giving us positive results, and this time around we will be checking out these again. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, do your own practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can make $200 easily trading boom and crash. Okay, before we go to the charts, okay, the first thing we need to do is that these assets are trend trading assets, so it is always important we understand the trend very well. Once we understand the trend very well, you will know when the trend is selling and when it is buying. Okay, the support and resistance zone is also very important because it will help you to know when you are exiting, okay, and entering the market. Okay, so if you are selling, it's better you start from the resistance zone and you close it or you exit at the support zone. If you are buying, it's better you start from the support zone and you exit at the resistance zone. Then your lot size will also help you to have full control of the market, and you don't need to force yourself into the market if you are not seeing a clear signal. That is why you have 6 different assets for you to trade. If you cannot trade the all 6, you can narrow it down to 4, 3 or 2. Okay, it all depends on you. Okay, so but just make sure you always get the right trading signal before you jump into the trade. Okay, so that is very important. Now let's move on to the chart, guys. Right here where we are on the chart, we usually do this every week, and of course this has always been giving us amazing profits. Okay, right here this started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it selling and selling. Even though there are pullbacks in between, it has gotten to this support zone. Before, this support zone used to be a weak one because it has gotten to the place again. It has changed to untested support zone. Okay, so it pulled back but was unable to go beyond this resistance zone, so it came back there again. If it breaks out below it, then it will be selling more. Okay, it will be selling more. Then we expect it to get to this region. Let me put the TP somewhere here before the support zone, this region, for us to see before we can have a major pullbacks. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below that, then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out from there, then this is where we should be checking out for. Okay, so we should take note of all these TPs so that we can use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right here. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had gotten to this region, to this, it has been buying, it has gotten to this resistance zone, it got there around there, was unable to break out from there, almost got there this time around, but didn't go beyond that. Okay, so right now it got there again, still unable to break out from there. It has gotten there this time around, and now it's still struggling to break out from there. But once it breaks out from there, then definitely we should expect it to keep on buying till it gets to this, and if it breaks out above that, it should still buy till it gets to this region. Okay, I'm just trying to highlight the TPs. Then if it breaks out above this, okay, we should be seen somewhere here. Okay, so that is for the spike trading in boom 500 because it is buying at the moment. But if it is unable to break out above this particular resistance zone, then we should expect some sell to happen. Okay, so the first sell order should be somewhere here, and of course the next one should be somewhere here. Okay, I mean TP, I'm trying to say the TP for the sell orders, so then the next should be here. Okay, you can see it has broken out above that. It has broken out above that, so we can see that it's heading towards this, so it will be buying more like that. Okay, it will be buying more. Okay, so let me continue with this. For the sells, it should get to that. Okay, in case you experience that. Okay, but right now it is let me change the color of this to white so that we know the exact points where we started. Okay, so this will divide between the uptrend and the downtrend. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, but right now it is an uptrend, and of course it broke out above this resistance zone this time around, and of course it's going up. Okay, it may likely get to this. If it breaks out above this, then it will get to this. If it breaks out above this, then it will get to this. So all these are important. Okay, I'm trying to make it so simple for each and every one of us so that anyone can actually go on with it. Okay, so this is crash 1000, and of course on crash 1000 it was an uptrend before, but there are major pullbacks in between. Even right here give us another pullback and to form a very strong support zone around here, but it went back on uptrend and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, this is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then definitely that is when it will start selling. Okay, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so even though it's almost at another resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out above that, then definitely to start selling. So this is overbought already, and of course we should expect the reverse. Okay, when it starts happening. Okay, if it's unable to break above the resistance zone, then definitely we should expect it to sell till this region. If it breaks out below that, then we should be expecting it to sell till it gets to somewhere here. Okay, and of course if it breaks out below that also, then we should expect it to get somewhere here. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It has been on a very strong downtrend and it's trying to move up into an uptrend, but it needs to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, once broken, then definitely it will buy more. Okay, and if it buys more, then we should be expecting the first TP somewhere here and the second TP around here. Okay, let's put it around here, the second TP around here, then the third TP somewhere here. Okay, the third TP somewhere here. Let me put this here. Okay, I think there is a resistance zone around here, so the third TP somewhere here, and of course the fourth one. Okay, let's see if we can have the fourth one. Okay, let me put it around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of all these and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, we should take note of all these and use it to milk the market successfully. So I believe if you follow instruction, you will be able to milk the markets with these opportunities, and of course you're going to make a lot of profit today, again just the way we usually do. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy our Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and you can also drop your questions within the comment section down there, and of course I will be there to reply you right from there. So I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.